Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I haven't been updating my channel for the past couple of months, and I wanted to share a little bit of what has been going on in my life. For the past couple of months, of course I've been busy with my work as usual, practicing, rehearsing, performing, all that. And on top of that, I have also been in charge for the social media account for the musicians of the New York Philharmonic. That has been keeping me very busy, and of course that my time and my creative ideas has been spread out in different areas and aspects. But also on top of that, I've also been doing a lot of other things on my own. It kept me thinking a lot more this year, which I recently just reached 30 this year, and I've been really thinking about my time and my future in different ways, and I just had to take some time to reflect myself and think about myself, what I imagine myself to be in the next, I don't know, like 5 to 10 years. So I've been doing a lot of reflection, center everything back to myself instead of sharing publicly on social media. I've also been traveling a lot this couple of months. Traveling really enrich your life, and I've been eating a lot different food and stuff. That being said, I am going out right now, not to travel, just to walk around. I came here to get some Tupperware, dinnerware. So that's why I'm here in Crate and Barrel. I want to share you guys something very interesting. Is this bowl. They're trying to portray Chinese New Year, the year of snake. But then look at this bowl. I don't really know. In Chinese culture, we don't put our chopstick like this though. Like, I've never seen a design in Taiwan or anywhere that have chopsticks put in the middle of the bowl. Okay. This store is so special. I'm in a different store right now. I'm kind of shocked about the price here. So a little plate like this. This is $70. Can you believe it? Do you know how much this is? $111. A teacup. It is really light and very, I guess this is handmade. $111. I don't think I can afford it. Good morning, guys. I am on my way to meet my friends. They picked this restaurant that looks really, really nice, so I'm very excited. So many people. Hi, I'm currently going to see my friend's concert tonight. And I'm so excited because they are actually a couple and they are in a group. They're gonna perform tonight. Their names are Audrey and Jeff.
James Coleman, Tuesday.
Nice.
Techniques and other pedal effects. And that really all has to do with being kind of inspired by this collaboration with Jeff's programmed visual narrative of the dress and the lights.
Today I'm gonna try to make this mango lassi. Good morning. Today is a cleaning day. I am in a process of decluttering and reorganizing our apartment. I bought a new shoe cabinet and it's arriving later. I have so much decluttering to do. I realized that I have a lot of things that was, pre-COVID, especially right now, we are mostly using iPad and I practice on my iPad as well. So yeah, you can see that I still have a lot of paper stuff that I need to sort out because there are some really important learning materials that I used, and it will be very useful for me later on when I start teaching. Yeah, that's all. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm having a great week, just doing a lot of home stuff and spending time with myself. Okay, let's get to work. Our apartment is a huge mess that I don't really know which part I'm showing you that's not messy, so please bear with me. I've been using something that I really, really enjoy that helps me to reorganize my music, my papers, is label maker. And I regretted not getting it earlier because it's so good. I'll show you how I organized it. It's definitely changed my organization system. And it's just such an amazing tool because everything is so clear right now. So I highly recommend anybody to get a label maker if you need to organize your paper stuff.